Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 55 TFSI Quattro, and this particular example is finished in the optional Navara blue metallic paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that classy appearance. Also, the vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now, looking at the external features, this vehicle is fitted with the Black Edition package, which does include the gloss black accents such as the window surround, roof rails, rear diffuser and front grille, as well as this you get the sporty styling with that rear diffuser and the front grille as well. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Now moving down towards the wheels, we do find these exceptional 21-inch 10.5 10-spoke star design gloss black Audi Sport alloys, and they do really complement the blue paint. To the side of the Q7 now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and does continue that overall black and blue theme. Moving in now into the rear boot space of the Q7, with the extra two seats folded downwards, you do have a combined capacity of 770 litres, which is perfect for those long distant travels. It can easily accommodate 3 larger suitcases. With the 2 extra seats folded downwards, it does mean you have a combined capacity of 1,955 litres. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full quilted leather interior. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, which makes the vehicle perfect for family usage, as well as having a digitalised dual zone climate control for those rear occupants. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush material expected of a premium brand like Audi, such as leather, Alcantara, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the Black Edition model, again you do get these full leather seats, which you have the white stitching and the Audi Sports logo. Above now we find the virtual cockpit display, which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. This screen can also be used to access telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now, we do find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation and can also be used to have access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just moving down from this now, we do find the fantastic dual zone climate control, which is touch sensitive and easy to operate. As well as this, you do find the heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we do find the reversing camera, which does make this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition. This vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.